Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Raj here, and this is the third and final video of the AirPods Pro, I guess you could say, series of unboxing videos. But today we have the case, and taking a look at the box, I mean, it looks really nice, I will say. So as you can see there, it says durable materials, polycarbonate outer shell for reinforced protection, and then it says here, aero shock protection lined with high-impact material that dampens the shock of drops. And it's also slim and minimal, meaning it's compatible with wireless charging. We'll be the judge of that, obviously. And it's high quality real leather, and it's AeroShock drop protection for AirPods Pro. So, we just slide this out here, and here it is. Looks pretty nice, I will say. So, let's take it out of its box. So it comes in two pieces there. And let's read what else we have here in the box. Pretty sure, actually, here, does this piece of the box even come out? Let's see. Oh, whoops. It says here, welcome to the Mous family, breathe the sigh of relief, we got you covered, have a question, yada yada yada. Okay. So I'm guessing no, that part does not come out. Okay, so then we have the blade here. Looks like it sticks on there permanently with those two little sticky things. And then if we pull this thing out here, the case, it has a nice little logo of that right here. And if we open up this little tab here, it says, welcome to the Mous family. Our protective case lined with impact material AeroShock will keep your AirPods safe from everyday bumps and tumbles. And then we have this nice little keychain right here that it comes with. So let's get it out of here. If I can figure out how. Here's the little tabs here. Okay, so we just push those back. This is, I will say, a very nice, like, sort of packaging style, so well done, Mous. I mean, it looks really, really nice, I will say, in person. It looks very fabulous. I bet it feels nice, too. I'm going to feel it in just 1 second, but I'm just going to first get those out. There we go. And this is the bottom portion of the case. It's actually nice and solid. Wow. It feels really nice and smooth. Even the leather texture of it as well. I mean, it does feel slightly real. So, I mean, I do believe Mous's claims there. But, without further ado, let's put it on the AirPods themselves. So, I'm guessing we just stick it down here, like that. Sits in there nice and snug. And then we put on the top piece. So, let's peel back this little protective film here over the sticky piece, because this lid is going to stick to the actual case. Yeah, looks like we have that there. Alright, let's just peel it off properly. There we go. The adhesive is now exposed, as you can see right there. And let's stick it down. And bingo! Here is our case. Looks fabulous, and then looks like the LED also shines right through, which is great. Has a nice feel to it. Have access to the button back here, which is always great to see. Yeah, there we go. Puts them in carry mode. Now let's test out the wireless charging capabilities. So we pop it on here. Let's look for a green light. Yep, it is charging. Great. So that's a good sign. We can double tap it and it checks the charge status. So looks good, feels good, and overall, I mean, I will say, it's really, really solid. So that's a nice part about it. Then you have the hinge back here, which is exposed, which is not too big of a deal. But yeah, I mean, this case is not going to be coming off, which is also good. Let's shake it up and down a few times. Yeah, this case is on there pretty solid, so it's not going to come off, which is good. So even if, like, say, it drops, let's actually do a bit of a drop test. This is not going to be very scientific, but here, let me just clear the nice section here for a quote-unquote drop test. Oh, it almost tumbled off the bed. But yeah, so it looks like it is not going to come off even like so when it drops on a surface like that. So pretty solid, I will say. Even the keychain is also pretty solid too. Let's just whip it around a bit. Yeah, I mean, this thing is pretty solid, so it's not going to just break or anything like that. So pretty nice hardware, I will say, Mouse. You did a great job. Still keeps that nice hinge action going, which is great. So, yeah, I mean, that is going to conclude this video. So if you guys enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like. Also, comment and subscribe if you are brand new. And I will catch you guys in the next one, which will obviously be a different video. I'm thinking it's probably going to be either an iOS beta I have to catch up on, or a macOS version I need to catch up on, something like that. Once those catch-up videos are done, then I'm going to go back to gaming videos, so I'll be then working on, like, Jedi Fallen Order. I'll be working on the next part of that, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.